In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to update the zip code shapes in AlignMix Professional. To do that, open up any AlignMix file. It can be a blank file or an already existing alignment map. Then click on File, and then click on Update AlignMix Application. If there is a new version available, click here to download Pro. This may take you to the AlignMix webpage. If it does so, just simply click to download the Pro version on the website, click to download AlignMix Pro, and then run the installation process. But for most users, you'll be able to simply update straight from here. Once it's downloaded, simply run the installer and install the newest version of AlignMix. Then, once you've done that, you can click on File and then click on Update Geography. If you'd like to save before moving on, do so. If not, click No. From here, make sure you select the new geography. It'll be version 5, 2018, quarter 2. Select that and click OK, and that will then apply those new shapes to your map. You'll have to do this for every saved map that you've created. So simply go through and update all of those if you want them updated to the 2018 quarter 2 shapes. And remember, this is only available to AlignMix Pro users. So if you're a free user, you will not be able to update to the 2018 quarter 2 zip codes. It's only for the professional users with the annual license. And there you go. You've just learned how to update to the 2018 quarter 2 shapes in AlignMix.